What's going on YouTube? Official Keith here, and today I'm going to show you how to protect your Galaxy Watch 4. Before we begin, you know the drill: like, share, subscribe, and comment. You know what to do with the notification bell, so let's go ahead and get into it. I got this kit on Amazon. I'll throw a link down below, but in this kit you will get not one but two of these rubberized, I guess we can call it case. For now, it's going to go on the outside of the watch, and it also comes with two glass screen protectors. So we'll put those on, and then it comes with two separate wipes. So I'm going to go and do the wipe down portion, and then we're going to do the install. Matter of fact, let's keep the video rolling. There's no point in stopping. Let's just move this stuff out the way. It has a label for you, 1, 2. And this is when you're ready to do the glass install. Actually, let's do this. Let's do the case install first. Let's get that out of there. You definitely want to take the watch bands off. You can see right here. Get in there. There we go. Alright, easy peasy. The buttons are going to be on the right side, so just find the cutouts. Where you see the cutouts on the right side. And then just kind of fit them right over the watch. And it should be a easy. There it is. So I would highly suggest something like this. When you're walking, you never know, you could accidentally bump up against a wall, brick wall, or whatever. This will help protect against scratches on the outside of the watch. And yes, the bezel still turns. So you're good to go there. And now let's go ahead and get in with the glass install. And again, this is going to be for the 46 millimeter classic watch. Just kind of wipe it down a little bit right there. Now with these things right here, I usually kind of let them dry for a few moments. But like I said, these are for the 46 millimeter. I'm pretty sure you can get this for the 44 and the 40. I believe is the next size that it comes with. So we got that going, and then we'll open up the second one. And if there's any dirt molecules or anything like that, then this will get it for sure. I can open it up. There we go. So get that nice and clean. Get it as clean as you can. Now, what I like to do when it comes to these kinds of installs is I'll kind of turn it upside down until I have the glass ready. A little bit. There's a glass right here. And all you're gonna do, this side or is it this? Yeah, it's this side. All you're gonna do is you're gonna peel that right there. And when you're ready, you'll just install it right on top of the watch face. Now, there's several different ways you can do this. I'm doing it this way. I just kind of let it drop on there. And then straighten it up. And I don't know if you saw that the little air, or the air going out. But that's it, folks. Once that's done, take that number 2 cloth or the dry cloth and just kind of rub it down a little bit. And that's it. Put your watch bands back on and you're good to go. Let me get a close-up of this. And they give you 2 in case you kind of mess up. Now the camera may look a little bit weird, but from my eye, it looks like just a little bit of the air needs to come out of here. Don't worry if you have any small air bubbles. Just like with any screen protector, once you rub them out as much as you can, they'll come out over time. So nothing to worry about. And then let's go ahead and power this bad boy on. And there you have it. So that is a good way to protect your brand new watch. I would highly suggest getting this. I will throw the link down below. And as usual, I'm not an Amazon affiliate, so these links will not count towards anything or get any extra money or any compensation or anything. I just wanted to make sure that y'all see a way to protect your watches. And now you can, one thing to know, that you can get these in different colors if you want to get these in different colors. But I usually just go with the clear. That's good enough for me, and it's starting up. So again, thanks for taking some time out to watch this video. I look forward to seeing everyone else's videos on this watch and how they're using it, the pros and the cons. I got a lot more content with this watch to come, and I hope you have a good rest of your day today. Holla at your boy.